Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to give you solutions regarding Java assignment 7. So please watch the video till the end without skipping the video. And coming to the first question, which of the following cannot be used to read a text file in Java? The answer is document. Friends, I believe these are 100% correct answers, and finally you have to decide to choose these answers or not. So I am pretty confident with these answers, and I am saying these are probable answers only at the same time. And coming to second question, which of the following statement is or true? So there are multiple answers for this. The first one is option A. In unbuffered IO, each read and write request is handled directly by the underlying OS. This is one answer. And second answer is option B. And the third answer is option C. So mark A, B, C as correct answers for second question. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Keep supporting us. So by the way, third question, which of the following is or are standard streams? Friends, we know that system.in is a standard stream, system.out and system.err, that means system.error. So this is input stream, it is output stream, and it is error, and console is not present. So there are three answers again for this: A, B and C. So mark A, B, C as correct answers for third question. And coming to fourth question, they have given a multiple piece of code for the four options, and they are asking which of the following code is correct. So the correct answer for the fourth question is option C. This is the correct answer for the following question, that is option C is the correct answer. So mark option C as correct answer for fourth question. And coming to fifth question, and I have done this in the command line arguments CMD. So when I have done this fifth question, I have got the answer as empty output. It means it doesn't given any output, but it is executed successfully and also compiled successfully. There is no runtime or compilation errors. So I have got the answer with empty output. It means it doesn't produce any output and also successfully executed. So my answer is option D. So mark option D as correct answer for fifth question. And coming to sixth question, which of the following statements is or are true? So there are multiple options for this question also. The first answer is option A, and second option is also correct answer. Third option is also correct, and fourth also correct answer. So all options are correct answers here. So mark A, B, C and also D as correct answers for sixth question, A, B, C, D. And coming to seventh question, so friends, I have a small doubt in the seventh question, and the answer can be option A, but I am not pretty confident with this. I have got exception as exception array index out of bound 3 out of 5 like that, but first option they have given all inputs as array index out of bounds, and remaining options they have given one or two output as correct answers only. So if you see this args of 5, that means 5 arguments, that means starting with index 0 to index 4. I am going with option A, and if you have any suggestions, comment in the comment section, but I'm not sure about this, but I'm going with option A. And coming to 8th question, so when I have done this 8th question in command line arguments for Java, I have got the answer as E and 1. Means if you see this str.char at 1, it means character at index 1, that is E. Consider H as 0, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So character at 1 is, that is E, and it returns the index, that is 1. So E1, I have got this exactly. So mark option A as correct answer for 8th question. And coming to 9th question, which are the following classes can be used to implement the input stream that uses a character array as the source? So the answer is option C, char array reader. Here character represents char, that means char represents character, and array reader, it means use it to implement the input stream and also array. So option C is correct answer for 9th question. And coming to final question of this week, 10th question. So I have got the answer in command line arguments as the 10th answer is length is 5. So where it is option B. So mark option B as correct answer. So friends, I hope the video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, then subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends, and keep supporting us like this. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you, bye.